Outlining your rooftop in lights can create a stunning addition to your outdoor holiday display. Try these helpful tips to get the look.
The long lines and large surfaces of your roof can look sparse if you have gaps of darkness between bulbs. It looks better when the bulbs are bright and close together so the light overlaps. The large strawberry-shaped C7 or C9 bulbs cast light in a wide radius to light up the gaps between the bulbs while outlining roof ridges, eaves, dormers, or gables. Another popular look are icicle lights. The dense cascades of light look especially elegant lining gabled roof lines or along eaves where the real icicles would naturally form.
Light clips make setup and takedown easy without marring your exterior with staples or nails. Space them to support your lights without letting the strand droop in between the clips.
At the roofline, try light clips that slip under your shingles or clay tile. S-shaped clips make it easy to string lights along gutters. If you like a uniform look, choose clips that hold the bulbs in position. LED light sets or contractor-grade sets are great for long outlines in your display. You can connect more continuous sets, and that's fewer extension cords to configure into your setup. Choose lights and extension cords that blend in with the background, and be sure to only use outdoor-rated lights and extension cords outside. Zip ties come in handy for running extension cords up to your light sets. Disguise the cords behind the gutters or posts where you can.
For more holiday style ideas and setup tips, take a look at the other topics on Ace's Holiday Lighting and Decor playlist and visit your neighborhood Ace or acehardware.com to find items like the ones featured in these videos.